There is a saying called where there is a will, there is a way. If you are serious about following a healthy diet, you can always find ways of doing so. I am very particular accepting those 2 off meals in a week. Other than that, I want to make sure that I am eating healthy. So I will always find ways of doing so. If I am lazy, such as now, then I'll find easier ways of doing so. The recipe that I am going to show today can be made by anyone with a lot of amount of ease. You require simple things such as guava fruit and few other ingredients. Just chop and mix, and that's about it. They will be fairly delicious that you can enjoy them as you get the health as well. Let's see how to do this. I was benefited by adopting a mostly raw food based diet during early 2018. I lost 23 pounds or 11 kgs of weight, got rid of type 2 diabetes and hypertension within 100 days of adopting this diet. Both these diseases have shadowed me for 18 long years. I also got rid of high cholesterol and a potential angiogram for coronary correction, which issues have cropped up in 2017. My goal for this channel is to convey to people that this is not an impossible diet to follow, and to encourage people to move into this diet and become healthy both physically as well as mentally. I make recipes that are simple to make, delicious, and visually appealing as well. I've taken 2 guava fruit. I will cut them into 4 pieces each and chop them. I'm taking a small food processor that is attached to a blender. I am adding some green peas to this. Green peas have lots of proteins, and we would like to have proteins every day in some form or the other. Corn is high in energy, so I am going to add some corn as well. In addition to high energy, corn has good amount of vitamin C, and they are high in certain vitamin B's as well. I am adding some lime juice for taste. I am adding some red pepper as well. This will give me a lot of flavor. Guava is sweet. The lemon juice that I have added is sour, and some bit of chili I think will give a lot of flavor. I have tossed around a little in the food processor so that the guava which is at the bottom comes to the top, and I am going to pulse it very briefly now. There is nothing to be called as a recipe in this. It is a simple mix of some raw corn, raw peas, green peas, and some guava fruit, and for flavor we have added lemon juice, chili powder. That's about it. So why am I eating this? Guava fruit as a fruit is a very low calorie fruit. It has plenty of vitamins which might improve the immunity of coronavirus and other kinds of situations. And then we have corn, which is compensating with a high calorie food. Then we have peas, which are giving plenty of proteins. Vitamin C is coming from lime. So as you have noticed, it is quite a nutritious food. Very simple to make, anyone can make it. Let me taste it, although you can guess the taste, let me taste it anyway and see how it feels. Good. It's hot because of the chili powder and quite tasty indeed. I think this is something you can try. Like I said in the beginning, if there is a will, there is a way. You can always find solutions within what you have at home if you want to eat healthy. So please try how much you can improve on your health. What you eat is what you are. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.